Father's Day for Ian and Richard. What's the most important thing about being a father?
Ikaw na sumagot.
Sabi lang, lang ako eh.
I think it's seeing your children grow up and being fulfilled na marami na silang na-achieve. That's really something that parents or fathers look forward. Maayos yung magalaki ng anak mo. Maayos sila, happy sila. They will be successful.
Yan, ako ganun din. With the kids, of course, you want to not only to be intelligent, but also to be kind. Most of all, for me, that's the most important thing.
What do you usually advise your children?
Yun, sinasabi ko sa kanila how important it is for me. I'm sure it's nice to be successful and smart and this and that, pero if you're not kind, it's pointless. So, sinasabi ko sa kanila that that's the number one where all the other things achieve.
How about you? What do you usually advise your children?
I think that I always tell them that character is something that you should take good care of. You can be rich, you can be well educated, but if you don't have any manners, it's all parang it doesn't really count. So yung character mo is very important. You have to have integrity, yung honesty, yung mga dapat unahin. Yeah, for me, we're just staying at the hotel siguro overnight, just to have dinner and just enjoy with the kids.
Very
Ako, sana i-surprise nila ako sa atin.
I-announce natin sa national television, no? Na-surprise nyo naman ako.
This plan. Wala, hindi ko alam.